What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you are doing well and I hope everything is wonderful in your world. Today I have for you my latest Glamour jewelry box, and this is a subscription service where you get 3 pieces of jewelry for $29.99 plus tax. You get a bracelet, earrings, and a necklace each month. And so yeah, this is my last Glamour jewelry box for a while, guys. I've had to pare down the subscriptions. I'm down all the way to BoxyCharm and 2 more months of Allure, and then Allure's gone because there are so many things coming up. I'm going to have to get a new vehicle. I've got a large vet bill, etc., etc. And so some of these things that are extras are going to have to be put on hiatus for a little while. So I'm super excited that I got a box that I love. So whenever you get the box, it looks like this. Inside you will find little crinklies like this and a little pouch that says jewelry, Glamour jewelry box, and a card that has a description of each item. It is guaranteed to add up to at least $75 in value. I like it because everything is packaged very securely, and if it needs to be in a package to keep it safe, it is. So I always feel very secure in the way that it is shipped and packaged and shipped and packaged. I am very secure in the way that it is packaged and shipped. I feel super weird with this really tight thing around my neck. So we're just going to go ahead and talk about this. This is the Delicate Layered Necklace. The retail price is $23. In a minute I'll stand up and show you the details. It says this classic layered necklace provides a subtle statement look, making this tiered necklace a go-to. Try pairing this with a high neckline. And I do think that something other than what I'm wearing right now would probably go better with a necklace like this, because I think the little straps here are kind of taken away from the prettiness of this necklace. So I'm going to stand up and get close up. So we've got one layer here, one layer here, and then at the bottom we've got little, if I can get it to stay up on my hand, we've got 2 little tassels or 2 little strands hanging down, and on each little strand are tiny little balls, and one at the very bottom as well. Hopefully you can see that. Anyways, I really like the design of it. It's beautiful. Obviously it's silver toned, and whenever it was time for me to get the last box, they let me choose what tone. They do have yellow gold, silver tone, and also rose gold. And as of the last time I ordered this, they were letting you choose. So for the bracelet, we've got this. It's a little cuff bracelet. I'm going to put it on, and then I'll hold my wrist up for you. There it is. It is an edgy cuff bracelet. It retails for $25. It says this solid metal cuff bracelet is bold and beautiful. I like it because it's easy to get on, but then you can squeeze it to make it more secure. It's like little diamonds all pieced together, and it's kind of a matte finish or like a brushed finish. I think it's really pretty. And I do like that it's dainty. Even though it's a cuff, it's very dainty, and I don't think it would bother me. I have the tendency to get, like, things like this kind of bother me when I'm writing, and it seems to me like as I could put my wrist down, it doesn't seem like it's going to be too irritating. So yay. It is very adjustable, so anybody can probably get it to work for them. And finally, I've got the dual teardrop earrings. And that is what those look like. If I can get it to hold still long enough, it might focus. Very pretty. It says it's a textured teardrop with a small clear charm drop earring. I'm going to take a moment and put these on, so I'll be right back. Alright, so here we have it. I think they are really pretty. They have a fish hook attachment. I don't know what to call that. the way that you put it into your ear is with a fish hook type attachment, and it does have a little rubber stop so that it won't move and come out. But I love the way it looks. I think it's a really nice size. It's very light, and especially when I have my hair up, you can really see them, but I think they would be pretty hair up or hair down. And so I'm really happy with all of these. Out of all of the pieces, I think as far as the style and design is concerned, I really love the necklace. I do feel like I would feel like this was too tight around my neck. I think after a while it would bother me, and it does have an extender on it, but I still feel like it's way up here. And if I was wearing like a neckline that had nothing, I think that would be really pretty. But I also think like a turtleneck where something was way up around my neck would be pretty. I think especially if there was nothing, I think this would really highlight the design. And I mean, not that I'm trying to be super sexy, but if I was wearing a plunge line neckline, the little things could go down into the décolleté, and that would be kind of pretty. So I think as far as design is concerned, this is my favorite, but I probably would only wear this for a special occasion. As far as something that I would wear on a daily basis, I love the earrings. And I do like the bracelet. I am not a huge bracelet fan, as I've said before, but I do like the design of this, and I do feel like it's comfortable. I could put it on, forget about it. So like I said, this will be my last Glamour jewelry box, at least temporarily, but I really do like this subscription, and I feel like they have very beautiful and dainty and classy jewelry, and I love that you get 3 pieces of the same tone and they coordinate with each other. So if you decide you're going to wear that tone, you have your earrings, your bracelet, and your necklace already coordinated, and it's an easy fix. What I do is I put them all in this little bag, I cinch it up, and I have a jewelry wardrobe that has little Velcro areas for necklaces, and I just hang them there, and I just pull the whole thing down, and then all the jewelry that I need for one outfit is in one little bag, and I think that's a great way to store them. Alright, why don't you guys tell me in the comment section which one of these pieces are your favorite, if you would be considering a subscription like this, or if you have any questions. I will have where you can go to subscribe to this down in the information box for you if you are interested. But that being said, that's it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.